Welcome to the future of electric riding. Today, we unveil one of the most unique, retro-futuristic machines hitting the roads in 2026. The Royal Enfield Flying Flea C6, a modern electric revival of a wartime legend. The Flying Flea C6 is not just a motorcycle, it's a statement. Finished in a deep metallic green paired with a brushed silver frame. This machine pays tribute to Royal Enfield's vintage spirit, while charging full speed into the electric era. Every curve, every PA, every weld speaks of craftsmanship. From the elegant teardrop tank to the clean floating seat design, the Flying Flea C6 delivers simplicity with style. The minimal bodywork, spoked alloy wheels, and upright riding position reminds you this is a bike that respects its roots, yet dares to be different, at the heart of the Flying Flea. C6 is a powerful electric motor that delivers instant torque and whisper-quiet acceleration. While Royal Enfield hasn't released official performance numbers just yet, insiders expect a range of around 150 kilometers on a single charge, with a top speed of 120 kilometers per hour, perfect for daily commutes and weekend getaways. Alike, charging is effortless, with a home-friendly Type-to-Port and optional fast charging support. You can juice it up from 20 to 80% in under an hour, making it convenient for busy city riders. But don't let its vintage look fool you. The 2026 Flying Flea C6 is packed with modern tech. A sleek digital display replaces the classic analog dials, showing your speed, battery life, and ride mode with crystal clarity. Smartphone connectivity and built-in navigation support elevate the experience, while regenerative braking helps boost your range with every stop. LED lighting all around adds a modern edge to its timeless silhouette, keeping you visible and stylish whether you're cruising through the day or gliding into the night. This bike is built for riders who value comfort just as much as design. The low-slung single-seat setup is perfect for solo rides, with an ergonomic profile that ensures relaxed city cruising. The upright handlebars give you confident control, and the tuned suspension glides over bumps, potholes, and uneven roads like a dream. The 2026 Royal Enfield Flying Flea C6 isn't trying to be the flashiest or the fastest. Instead, it's about bringing back the soul of motorcycling and electrifying it for the modern world. It's for those who love timeless design but want to ride clean. It's for the bold, the curious, and the ones who ride for the feeling, not just the destination. Whether you're a vintage enthusiast, a tech-forward commuter, or an EV trailblazer, this bike is built to turn heads and spark conversation. It's clean, it's quiet, it's classy, and it's unmistakably Royal Enfield. Thanks for watching, and if you're excited about this electric evolution on two wheels, make sure to hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more powerful stories on the future of mobility.